तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।
Good afternoon, sir.
What happened? Good morning, good afternoon. Eh? You students are good. I speak in English. This is English coaching.
Sorry.
Control.
Oh, you what happened?
Understand. Nothing happens.
Today,
We are learning PUBG.
student, our topic is PUBG. Alright, okay. Today, guys, today our topic is no girls. Okay, no problem. Today chapter 2 complete, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Me, I'm teaching no broken English. Once upon a time, there was a PUBG. Matlab, PUBG or not PUBG. Once you are playing PUBG, is that right?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
What happened? Understand?
What?
What happened? You PUBG not playing.
Understand?
You should play PUBG.
Sorry, sir. Thank you.
Sit down, okay. I love you. Oh, sorry.
प्यार मजाक नहीं होता।
Sorry.
I love you too.
And then, wait, from there.
Oh, player.
What happened? Sorry. I love you too. What happened? You are talking. Oi, this is English.
English.
Speak English.
Three name is sir. Bapu.
Once upon a time, PUBG was there. Oi, partner, kita uci. Oi, don't laugh, man. PUBG was there, and I'm teaching PUBG. PUBG was held in which year? Student?
1999.
1999. Oi, that time you are not born in student. What happened? Oh, you Korean.
Oh no.
You Korean student.
Local Korean.
Local Korean. Wait, what you are laughing? Attention. Attention. Oh, sorry, guys. Your teacher is MFA. That's why English is broken. So, today our topic, one time, two times, tell me what is our topic? Wait,
PUBG.
PUBG playing. You online class. And me too online class. That's why talking English is broken.
Hello.
Wait, kita no, what no?
Hey, sorry, sir.
Speak in English.
Okay, sir.
Oh, wait, look this side. No, that focus on me. No, don't focus on mobile phone. But today our topic what? Wait, little fellow. Wait, Fajlu. Your name is very tough. Fajlu, is it? Always focus on phone. What happened? Once upon a time, there was a PUBG in a room. I'm taking tuition and they are playing. This is a story of a student.
Yes.
Good you fellow, brilliant student. What? I loudly say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
What happened? You stand up once again.
No. Sorry, sir. I'm very. Thank you.
Okay, today I'll mark you.
Yes, sorry.
I'll mark you. This is English coaching. You should talk in English, okay, bro? No, student.
Bro, who is your brother?
Sorry, I'm teacher, online teacher. Right?
Sorry.
What type of teacher? Huh? Your student also saying, bro. No. Your student is that half person.
No laughing in English coaching.
Sorry, sir.
Attention, focus me, don't focus on the phone. What? Yeah, what happened? Yeah, like maybe. Why don't laugh? Focus is focusing on phone. This is online class, guys. Do your work where my mobile phone I'm doing, not doing. Hey, you, Korean fellow, focus, man. No, go this side. Go and sit there. Business, you're doing. Sit there, sit there. Attitude, no, attention. No attitude. Attention, okay. You smart guy. What is it, man?
Thank you.
Hey, Pizza. Why, this is English class. No, why, what are you doing like this? Oh, okay, focus on your phone. Our topic is शुरू हो जाएगा. So, sometimes कभी English, sometimes कभी Hindi. I'm mixing. I need to find the right girl. I need to find the underline that one, okay? किधर है? Very thoughtful man. You sexy fellow, what well? Yes, sir, no respecting. No talking. Oi, Korean fellow, local. They are very tasty. No, local things is very tasty. No, focus on me. Don't focus on mobile phone. Guys, today no attention. So our online class is almost finished. English coaching. Oh, oi. What is your name? Say your name. One time. What is your name?
I don't have my name.
You don't have. Well, more little bit you move this side.
Bye.
Gather each other attention. You
This side is very tight.
Little you move here. Little. Okay, very good. Oh, it's not good. What a pen. Okay, very good boy. What a pen. Focus, you are not focusing. Right, focus. Okay, you are very good. Point blue. Okay, yes sir. Point blue. Whenever I call you, you say loudly yes sir. Point blue. Yes sir. Very brilliant. Point loudly. Yes sir, you say.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today our class is almost end. So English coaching. The girl is married. It seems someone told me that other day that she was. One friend showed us that turned out to be free after all, but Hrangkhol, no attention, man. Attention, focus for you.
We are focusing on our subject. This is
Okay.
online class.
Okay, you focus. Repeat with me, okay? You repeat with me. The girl is married.
The girl is married.
Very good. You very
Good. You are very good.
Yeah, teacher, don't point like this. Point like this.
What word don't put like
You are a good.
You are a good.
Why smart fellow?
You are a smart fellow.
You stand up one time.
You stand up one time.
Our topic is
Our topic is PUBG.
I took it.
You are saying follow me.
I don't know. Serious. You serious. Okay, you repeat with me, okay? You are very smart. Well, handsome man. How many girlfriends do you have, student? No, sir. I say you should talk loudly, man.
No, sir.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Light. From which school you are coming? Student? Olihar.
Yes.
In which place? It is Dubai, that one. Yeah. This is PUBG class. You should play PUBG.
Yeah, like this angle.
Why you are taking girlfriend? Texting girlfriend?
No.
You having girlfriend?
No.
Very good. You sit down. Thank you, okay?
Thank you.
Why you should say thank you? Why I'm saying thank you? Do better.
No.
Alright, Babu. Tomorrow you should dye your hair white, okay?
I don't have money.
Okay, come 1 rupees, I'll give you.
I want to be. There is no one to be.
Yummy! Oh, Maggie here.
Yes.
You should say yes, sir. Only one time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why Korean fellow? Don't focus. Focus this side. One.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार। मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे 2 मिलियन लाइक्स चाहिए, कैसे ना कैसे करके मुझे चाहिए। इतना झिला मैं कभी नहीं होऊंगा अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में जितना इसमें झिलाऊं, मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए। तो लाइक मारो, और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूट फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।